Welcome. In this video I will show you how to put your apps on full screen on LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So to do that, let us open an application, basically any window on our Windows PC, and to maximize it you can either press this square button right here. To minimize it, like rather de-maximize it, just press this icon again, or you can simply drag the application to the top of your screen and leave it right there, so it will be maximized much quicker, I guess. And basically that's it. That's how you manipulate the size of your application, of your window on your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.